Greetings from Edgewood, Texas. Last time I was driving through here, they're installing this brand new automatic car wash, and it's open and running. It's a Razor double barrel. They put in some used signage and Premier jars as usual. Let's see what we can do with this police station.
Welcome. Purchase, make a selection, then enter the amount shown.
Alright, let's say cash or card. There you go. It just used to be those 3 manual bays, but they added this on recently, so it's brand new. So, the 9, 11, 13, and 15. Oh, there's a couple of different packages right there. Buy 4 Ultimates and get the 5th one free. Or buy 4 Premiums and get the 5th one free. And then, different prices there. I think I want to do this one with my card. Save my 20s for total washes if I decide to do any of them in Longview.
Ultimate wash. Review your selection and press pay now. Choose your method of payment. Insert your card now. If paying with a check card or a mobile wallet, hold your card or phone against the reader.
Please drive forward.
The tap thing is kind of slow.
Please drive forward. Please drive forward. Please place car in park.
Let's see how the one type of razor that's not boring does. Oh, funny. Interesting. I've not seen that on a touch-free machine before.
The pre-fill cleaning product is now being applied to your vehicle. A sealant product is now being applied to your vehicle. A protectant product is now being applied to your vehicle.
The wash arm's kind of in the way. Is it supposed to be at an angle like that?
A sealant product is now being applied to your vehicle.
Okay. Just a high pressure pass along the front of my car. It's kind of random.
Hot-free rinse water is now being applied to your vehicle.
This thing has got like the biggest wash arm I've ever seen. Well, I guess they say everything's bigger in Texas.
Thank you. Please exit slowly.
Fall out of the bay here. I went too fast on that now because yeah, it's really stinking. Okay, I didn't seem to catch a name of this place, but if I don't see a name on the way out, I will just simply list the address. But yeah, seems like I did pretty good, but a little expensive, of course, but that's to be expected. I actually do not see a name anywhere. Alright, well, thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed and see you on the next video.